Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're going to talk about mathematics in Python. The plus and minus are pretty easy, and the multiplication are pretty easy, but here are some like lesser known things. So you see what I have up here? These are exponents, where you have the start and the star, like so you have the star twice up here. So see it says print 7 times 2. So that's just how they do exponents. So 7 to the power of 2 is 49. And this might be a little bit tricky, but this is also mathematics too. So, do you remember in mathematics when you have an exponent of 1/2, it pretty much does a square root. And so, in this case, 9 times, and then the half right there. So it's just like basically like a 9 to the power of 1/2. That's just basic math. And as you can see down here, it has a point 0. And in my previous lessons, we talked about floats. Floats just mean like it has a decimal and something else, like 5.4, 3.0, 2.11, stuff like that. So the reason why Python does this is because you have the half right here. If you didn't have the half right here, it wouldn't do that. So when you have something that's like a fraction or something that's, if you had like 9 to the power of 1.2 or something, it automatically puts a float there also because you're blending in with the floats. And let's go down here, and right here, this is called floor division. So you see down here, it says print 20 divided 6. And so you're kind of thinking like it could be like a division, If it was just division, it would be like 20 divided by 6, and it would be like 3 point something, right? And so in this one, floor division is whatever the closest number is when you divide. So in this case, let's just say if it was 20 divided by 6, the whole number that exists when you do that is like 3 point something. So floor division just has, you just stop at 3. So that's what that is. And all of these are, they might seem difficult, but you just got to memorize how to do each operation. In this one, print, this is called the modulo. And so let's just say you do like the remainder pretty much. So let's just say you do 20 divided by 6, right? So that's 3, 3 point something. And whatever you have, or let's just say that's 3, right? 20 divided by 6, the nearest number is 3. And then whatever's left over is 2. So that's where that comes from. So 20 divided by 6, the nearest floor division is 3. So 6 times 3 is 18, and then there's 2 left over. So like it's pretty much just a remainder that's left over. I mean, if that makes sense. And so on this one, if you go down here, this is kind of what we talked about before too. This is also floor division, but if you do 4 divided by, or 4.2 divided by 1.4, it comes out to exactly 3, right? But why do they have this 3.0 here? Well, the reason is because these are floats also. So in Python, if you have let's just say if you have, 5 numbers all times each other, and one of them is like a 1 point something, what automatically goes to the float because you had one that's, that doesn't belong. So it goes ahead and puts like the answer as a float. So I hope that makes sense. If you want to look at these again and kind of see what I did here, you can. But like I said, it's just like basically memorization of how the order goes and stuff. So hope that helped you out. Thanks.